and Fast Minis. DC Super Friends!
Really cool DC Super Friends. Who we got there, Jay? Who's in the box?
Stephen, Thomas, Emily.
What do you got there?
I got a 9-pack of DC Super Friends.
Tell me which ones they are.
We got Thomas, Flynn, Sydney, Millie, Paxton, Ari, Diesel 10, Edward.
How do I open up the last pack?
Yes! I'll just stand it off. But I'm helping. Stand it off. There.
What do you got in there, mate?
No.
Luke. Awesome. All right, let's check out the superhero chain.
First up, Percy as Robert. Next up is Millie as Catwoman. Next is Charlie as Riddler. Next up, Luke as Best Boy.
Beast Boy.
Next up is Emily as Wonder Woman. Next is Thomas as Batman. Next is Henry as Green Arrow. Next up is Stephen as
Celestro.
Celestro. And now time for the big pack. Next up is Thomas as Superman. Percy as Robin. Percy as Robin. Hey, two.
Yeah.
Percy's Robin. Percy's Robin. Next up is I and Ari. I and Ari. Next is Fire. Flynn as Firestorm. Firestorm. Next up, Sydney as the Penguin. Now it's Paxton as Lex
Luthor.
Luthor. Next is Edward as Black M. Next is Millie as Catwoman. Catwoman again. And last of all, Diesel 10 as Joker.
Wow, check them out.
Can I join them up?
Go for it. Join them up.